Three foods that I advise all my diabetic patients to have, and the third one is the most effective. Number one on the list is Ceylon cinnamon. Half a stick boiled in water or half teaspoon powdered. Have this water on an empty stomach in the morning. It helps reduce your fasting blood sugar and also improves insulin sensitivity. Number two on the list is psyllium husk. We also call it isabgol. 1 teaspoon per day added in water or warm milk. It slows down gastric emptying, reduces glucose spike, and regular consumption will help reduce your HbA1c. And the third on the list is fenugreek seeds. 1 to 2 teaspoons taken every day. It improves glucose control, enhances insulin sensitivity, improves insulin resistance, and also lowers HbA1c. And when it is taken before meals, it also helps reduce the post-meal sugar spikes. Now these are easy to add to your diet, readily available, and can be taken every day. Try it out and see the difference. Please do like and share it with your loved ones who are diabetic or pre-diabetic.